Even a promo la. It's my shy doggy. Nothing here, I'm a butterfly. I was on
yes, like
it's China.
yeah, sushi.
That's problem, yeah.
It's not ngisebenza ngithi ngiyi1 yeah bebazongivumela ukuthi ngijole nomuntu wami kahle ngephisi bangangijudge ngoba bazothi yeah sizothi siyamthatha bese singatholi inyama yebo
ikhathi then ubhalo ukuthi what does this words mean
abayibeka yonke ithi world double star fire wind curve
le breast cancer yakhona uyophela amabele wonke bathi ngapha ijambele ngapha bathi ngapha bangasenabele
Okay podcast up next.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new guys, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, turn the notification bell. Every time we drop guys, you'll be notified guys. This is episode 13 of No Cap guys. If you are new, please subscribe guys. And then if you are new again, Sithole Mina is me, aka Mfana Watimbuti guys. As you can see, I'm not alone. I'm rolling with my crew. I'm gonna start there, then we're gonna end here. Special Badutona.
What's up, it's your boy, people the hero, aka Mama's boy. It's show.
sanibingelela bafethu lokhuluma ntsako mabuza intombi ezinye intombi ebafethu bonjo
Danko Zone. Special Hinzone.
sanibona bafethu madempus lo intombi yakazungu yako manzi intombi enesmile esihle
Ay
kathi ngiyona mos like press the notification bell nje nenze konke bafethu nicomment esokhuluma konyazi bafethu support them means a lot.
Yeah man, like today before we start shooting guys, Ntako, because she's someone who's working, so while we're still waiting for Ntako, here comes Matempul's boom with the bad news. I was like, what are you saying, bro? I was like, what are you saying? She was like, yeah, bro, please break the news, bro.
Apparently guys,
It's not even apparently because it's happening.
Yahamba guys, yohlala emakhaya.
So I wanna know from the team, right? Okay, I'm gonna start from Biwo. I wanna know from the team, how are we feeling, you know, for somebody breaking such news with Yahamba. How do you feel about this?
For me, Nane, like I'm not good. Like I'm confident I end up at like Yahamba, say some boy now. Like uhambelani ntwana.
Kaiza phela lento ayikuthi ngine choice. Angina choice.
Nana choice umzali ne. Ngokuya kwami mina umzali nje hayi uzoqonda. Umzali kwathi forever. Ukuthi awufuni ke emakhaya phela abantu osajayiva isibhuju ubuhlaba ko1 bathi uphinde lapha yawo
hey
how are you feeling about this, bro?
angazi ngithi ngishaqekile or ngithi because ngiyaqala ukuzizwa le indaba bengazi ukuthi yovakasha ngiyashiya zona hayi baba
ngitholethu
nawe uyavuma ngawe
ayibona choice.
awuna choice.
This is crazy guys. I don't
I feel
know.
like sonke sinama choice ne and then ungaphila until a certain age uzama ukuplease abazali but kuna like mele ukuthatha control of your life. So if uzungu manje uthi akana choice akahambe aye emakhaya uyofuna choice
abuye la
cause intwana angeke
yo
like kuningi intwana kuningi futhi kuningi nokungakenza ukuthi uphinde or ube kulesimo ufuna ukuba kuso yabo. So
yeah, because it seems like now she's just being remember abantu they are fighting to come to Jozi because like it's easy to access, like for somebody like
true.
For somebody like Matempul's udlala ibhola and everything, that's where abantu bazo scout ama talent, they are close by and whatnot. People from KZN are fighting to come to Jozi. I know Kuchikune Teben and stuff, which is closer to them, but like a lot of people wants to come to Josie to I don't know, bro. Like it's crazy because even on the pod, we're gonna miss you a lot because you were growing. Shout out to Lisero, she been vouching for you. She's somebody who's been saying, "Gucci, no, you see, every time like when we drop, I was like, you see, now she's even talking the last episode." Which she didn't even post the link. She was talking a lot, bro. Like, it's like she was sensing, which, "Aye, guys, I'm firing." Yeah, like she did talk, and then Lesoko even came to me and said, "Yeah, you see, Matimbus now she's opening up now. Now I think she's finding herself and such." Yeah, but. Bad news, yeah, busy, but yeah, you are coming along and everything. So, okay, I got a question, right? Because she's part of the LGBTI community plus, right?
Yeah.
She's a lesbian. So, what we are in Makai?
Lesbian.
Okay, sorry.
Yes.
But you're dating a lesbian.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So, in general, we're in Makai right now. She's not. So, are you gonna just convert all of a sudden to imagine putting the attack, putting in as much as Bam Chat, because now she's taking whatever the family is saying. Yeah, let me cook first. So now is she gonna okay? But she's been saying, let's not lie, she's been saying, which I play for both teams. Yeah, if my feeling says I need a girl right now. I think they've been pushing for a year now. Yeah. So it's exactly. So shout out to them. Like a year nowadays is a thing.
Yeah.
So
number one.
Exactly. So now. So now I wanna ask her, is it like so for now, because in Makai we know they look at you in a weird way, which I as much as you're saying, how are you gonna copy with the environment as Makai? Because when you play for both teams and now you are forced to, even if you don't want to.
I don't care. I don't give a fuck. Mafethu ukuthi umakhelwane uzothini kugogo wami anginandaba. Impilo yami mosle. Impilo yami ihleli la. In the palm of my hand. So nje mina isithole ngikhulele lapha yami. Mina sithole ngitshela ukuthi mina sithole emakhaya bengihamba isonto angisonto kaShembe, so khona lento le ehanjwa like amatshitsha amantombazana kube nele ngihamba abafana ngama so mina Shembe yazi neko kwamsonxelela mina benye intombazana Shembe lapha ya ku 25 yakhona bengitshela le ntombazana lapha ya
but it was not out there.
Yeah, bengekho like but bangibhaqa batshela gogo mangitshela ukuthi hayi lento yenzayo ayikazi nje ayenziwa kwaZungu. Hey manje sebazongivalela endlini la ngitama ukuthi ngiyohlala eGoya ngeke sayenzeka sengizohlala emakhaya
nabazali wayebangakhuzi mabakubona ukuthi mhlawumbe ufuna ukwenza into engekho emhlabeni ukuthi hayi ngeke mhlawumbe angazi.
Yabo bathi bona ayikho kwaZungu
bazokhetha life oyiphilayo ukuthi angeke izoqala ngawe. Mara if into efaka imali nobody says anything.
I mina sithole ngakusho nje kuloko ukuthi I don't care ukuthi umunye umuntu uthini angenzeli lutho umuntu ogcinela kawanetha ama feelings wami
wena no baby wakho.
Says Mrs. Chai vele.
Hayi ne.
Ayingeke nama ngivumi. Hayi.
Ngezwe ngayo.
Singajopela amabele sona.
Guys,
ufuni
angifuni
ungathi kunobhat kodwa manje.
Okay.
No, but like let's face reality.
Yeah, bafethu.
So,
okay, reality.
If uyahamba impela.
It's Chai.
Sabuyi nento nami ngijile.
Okay, guys.
Kuzoba calls. Kuzoba call.
Iqala ngathi baya understand.
Long distance akaze sebenza bafethu.
Injalo phela if let's say Zoom uzohamba mara uzobuya nakhona noma ubuye uzohlala uzoba
so okay uyahamba uZungu ne sharp then she comes back manje nomntana so baby now like my question ukuthi yombuka kanjani wena like abuya like ngani ngifuna ukuthi ngiyeke ngakubona abuya No, but it's real.
Zungayenza.
This is not me. No, this is not
I feel
me.
like noma
She's saying-
angatshele umuntu ukuthi ubuyile ngoba phela.
Sizobona.
Hayibo, angithi ubuya lena.
Sizobona.
So besingasahlali la nomngane.
Sombona.
Okay, ngihambe lisiyeke. Thola ukuthi mina no baby ke mase kufika uOctober September
Asakhiphi.
yabona ukuthi nje asakhiphi manje. Yo, fike iDecember January kubuye nesisu ngathi.
Oh, besides, okay, ukubuya ngisisa.
At the end of the day, it's not about us, it's about them. Nomuntu wakhe ukuthi yeah.
No, but like-
But mina as
But as a crew right now.
Kana ngizokujudge ngizophelela.
Yeah, mina ngizoba judgmental ke kakhulu kabi futhi. Unomntana.
But she's even saying, I need to khuluma nani. Lo muntu akakhuluma isiGibrish. She's saying, I play for the bot team. So why are you saying, umntana? It's possible,
as
bro.
like I'm lesbian.
Yeah, come on now.
Hayi
Bona
manje.
beside ngani
Not now Sithole kusase early mazumuntu
noma bangathi udlalela iphi team but I don't think ukuthi umntana nje.
it's an option.
So kuzoba kuyini because
Okay, iphutha amalenzekile mebasho.
what do you mean iphutha?
Mara umntana si mistake.
You think you're playing it safe, then boom, surprise.
Marakhona
Hayi baba ngizothi umntana wakhe mistake.
Ikhona. Hayi ukuthi umntana akhe mistake umithe
or ngithi ngiyabreak angimethi nje.
Hayi phela lapho uthole ibhari ke
Yabona, kuyenzeka kazi izinye izinto
yeah, guys, saying it's okay.
Okay, but ke mina ngeke shame, ngeke ngimenze kanjalo baby.
Yeah, you.
Okay, let's move on, guys. So that was the bad news that we had from the pod. So it means this phase, maybe in tomorrow we are still shooting, right? Yeah. So it means episode 3 from now, she won't be here. You must get TT on board, bro. We need the 4th member.
Phela ukuthi bazongireplace ayibo akekho umuntu ozoreplace waDimples la.
Guys, please, we are shooting the pod in Soweto in Freedom Park. If ever you wanna be the 4th member, as we're gonna be losing another member on no cap. Please hit us up. We don't care, guys. Male, female, lesbian, and as long as we ask you to funani, you know.
Bring that heat.
Yeah, in number busy adlula lapha guys screening. So text us, let's cook, guys. Especially if we can get somebody who stays around Soweto. Because right now it's not like we are making money.
Like one takes away.
Yeah. And who's willing? Because we have other people who are working. So shoot us Saturday, Sunday. So if a Kayagini, they allow you to travel late because we're gonna have that problem as well because you have to travel late and stuff. So we can be together and stuff. Please hit us up, guys. This takes an apple. We are Shuichi. Like, don't say hi, then or ulindele hi back. How
Specific.
yeah, just Shuichi. Hi guys, I saw your episode, whatever.
Comment section.
Yeah, Shuichi Kamalami, Miss Ban. I'm interested. I wanna shoot with you guys. I've been wanting this thing. If ever you guys are offering this,
we are very welcoming, guys.
We are very welcoming, guys. So guys, so there's a question, guys, that like a breadwinner, does a family take advantage of a breadwinner now? When like let's say umuntu osebenza uthola ukuthi manje each and everything umuntu mazi izinyo nje it's a good thing, you know. Umuntu baphathwa sisa Mr. Olma, like does people take an advantage of a breadwinner now?
Yes, they do. Because umuntu osebenzayo wena ngithi awusebenzi. Awunamali awunanex umavuka ugadikazi yabo manje lo sebenzayo
lisibiza kanjani
so ukuthi umagadikazi sengasho umuntu like
hey bodyguard, hey gadikazi,
lo ngisasho bafethu angabi for ukuthi like ngithi negadikazi aneligadi mara umuntu like osebenzayo bathatha advantage because like angithini nasebenza unemali so wena awunamali awunanex like kunzima ukuthi u10 grand pa yabo ama pin block nanani manje ukhalela kuyo lo sebenza uthatha komfethu sekune crisis yabo
but I think they take advantage, yes, because like isinkwa and whatever that's gonna short lana, it's gonna be your responsibility. But they even give you a power which hey phela hey ningamkwati
yeah manje kwathi sasona singadlanga
but it's here boy suksele just ilona isramstick but yegeni uzomuntu uzungana ngazalona but yeah I think it's got the end in the end. I think it goes hand in hand because in other hands, of course, they're going to take advantage of you as much as you're saying. You are the only one who's providing for the family. In other hands, you are the one, like, you are the chief in command.
Yeah.
Even though they won't say it. Even though they won't say it. But the Bible, and then people 10 years. Or else, exactly.
Then you respect, like you earn more.
Yeah. For example, let's say you're Jola Manjan, you're Jola ring and everything. Para by food, they can't say anything. Because hey, even if she say umtana ngathi uyatshontsha wange na
If not ngisebenza ngithi ngiyi1 yeah bebazongivumela ukuthi ngijole nomuntu wami kahle ngephisi bangangijudge na ngoba bazothi yo sizothi siyamthatha bese singatholi inyama vele
amara umthise wona ugcina ungasawathengi just bad
and then sakho you take on the bread.
They do take advantage more breadwinner because I feel like noma ngabe bayabona ukuthi like it's out of your control. But expect to show up every day. Like, even if I was with our corn without feeling guilty or without born if you know those marks but say maybe kube bekusakhona usibanibani uyangithola ya on the other side yeah you get the respect
you get
naminya mingekho inyama le esikhathini sikanta you get yeah but like yo na it's a lot. I feel like once uqala ukwazi ukufaka isandla endlini life yakho ayisabi normal.
Yeah, true.
Like we as loser because and nobody's checking up on you.
But you're right.
Yeah, like bafuna nje ukulibele without checking ukuthi mara njengoba alright when
awunama needs njengoba sinama needs
mental are you okay now? Ndona
but phela ama needs wakho nawo awangabi like ukuze na ungasathengi ngishe inyama ukudla ishebo ntsako.
But I think the impulses depend ukuthi how big is your family? I think some ways have to come to that point which how big is your family.
Okuncane sithole, it doesn't matter ukuthi umndeni ungakanani. Okuncane nje ukufakayo it's fine. Khona abanye abantu sithola abangaprovide la ngaphandle. Umbona ukuthi uyabona ukuthi usisi omdala akasebenzi, usisi omncane akasebenzi, umama akasebenzi, ubani akasebenzi, sebenza yena
one bacoshwa lokho ukuthi okay.
Phela abanye banama reason.
Okay, oledi ngiyalibona. Sengiyathenga impuphu ngoba kune oledi. Khona ufuna ngimthengele ubox logwaya akafundisanga yimi ukubhema.
Okay, lawo ke.
Khona like you end up like carrying a lot more than
bathi nje amime ngikusho bafethu ukuthi nje ayiphela na ukuthi amanizwe akho akwenza ukuthi ungasasithengele ukudla. Hayi ukuthi nalabo bahleli phela ba market baya market it's just that abananhlanhla.
Khona nje abanye bahleli nje.
Yeah, back to the topic mina input yami ngithi sithwale vele abantu nje bayalontuziwa. Daba basebenzayo yo guys like cause manje thina singasebenzi or thina singakaze sisebenzi sibona lento le ukuthi ayibo lo muntu uholile sinini.
Yeah, true.
Manje unayo le mali engifuna manje igrandpa unayo imali ya Mr. Alba
and you are very much right Ntwana ne sina sithi unayo ne and sometimes unokuthi uthembisa umuntu Tshela ukuthi ngiyakuthembisa ukuthi angawari ngizokuthengela ibhini.
Mangikhola.
Mhlambe ibhini ye CRM and stuff. Kanti
account cheap but
Ntwana akathi account ngasona into zami. Mangithi 1 2 3 1 2 ngiyashota. Manje wena ulinde mina wena ulinde ukuthi
uyakwati ukuthi hey lona ufolile sakazothi
yabona lento enikhulumayo ke wenzeka ngacela someone wakithi ngangihead ngalendlela le ngicela ukuthi ngiphi imali yokugibela ngebholweni ngimcele before azohola bengazi ukuthi uhola like ngeviki la kuma 20 something le 23 24 yalapho ngamcela ngathi Saturday ngicela imali yokugibela Sunday ngiyadlala ngathi ayishap ungawari ngizokuseta Ayibo ifika iSaturday ekseni phela ngiyamkhumbuza cause umuntu ojwayele ukuhamba.
Ukuthi hey before hamba.
Before hamba cela unginikeze le mali leyo 50 rand. Cela unginikeze le mali leyo uthi uzonginikeza yona. Athi angawari ngizokunikeza. Ayibo ntambama mase ngiyakuya. Manje Tayo yasivele yaphela imali. Hey angisenayo. Ngaba like mara uholile evikini mfethu Saturday night uhole nje maybe few days ago. So yangicisha le phela mina in my mind ngiba like uyangicisha angazi ukuthi makungena isalary yakhe wenzani.
Yeah. Ishona
angazi ukuthi uhola malini.
Ungahola 3000 manje. Uthi ukuthi ngihola 3000 mangahola 10000 ingakha the higher your salary inkinga nawe ziyanda zilingana nalento le naleyo mali leyo and then into engihlala ngitshela mama ukuthi mina angifuni ngenhliziyo nangesibhono ukuboleka imali kumuntu because already nginenkinga zami what more mase ngi-add umashonisa einkingeni zami
to inkinga zakho
kule mali encane engiyiholayo plus minus 500
and lento leyo ibuyela to abantu abayenza nithini vele ngalabantu abayenza ikoloto ezidlula imiholo yabo. Maybe ngi-ena like 2.5 and then mina ngihambe umashonisa ngiyoboleka 3000 ngithi ngizobhadala ngani.
Yabona sometimes okay mina ngibona ngale ndlela ne sometimes in lifestyle ne you don't have to wanna prove a point uthi wena uyakhona ukuthenga Heineken wena uyakhona ukuthenga nini what not so is those small things end up adding up yes isigcina manje sidlula nelona yakho isalary yakho abanye nje mawumbona asekhaya just because ubroke o manje uhambile ayoboleka imali komashonisa or something usaba nokuphuma ngaphandle abanye like they just wanna live ngathi there's no tomorrow yongithola
abanye manje bavumela ipressure let's say ngisebenza eBMW ama colleagues amahamba like imoto yimlo sengifuna ukuprove baprove ipoint ukuthi hayi nami ngiyahola kanti mina inkinga zami zidla maybe 70% yomholo wami bese le change engisala ngisustain life yami throughout the whole month so sengifuna ukufana nabo ayingathathi 1000 engicala ngemali encane 500 uyayicover next month uyayibisela 750 mawuceda ukubisela uyathatha futhi hayi ngithi ngicela unginike 500 baso kancane awusakwazi ukumbhadala mangakwazi ukumbhadala imali kamashonisa ikhula dom if umbhadala interest kwasale amount lo ebolekeyo isa add still ufana nokuthi usam 750 and so yambaleka lo uyakomunye so abantu I think peer pressure nje or pressure from starting or ufuna ukuprovela abantu ukuthi
umuntu omdala
ngiyakhona
yabona ipressure is domkop why am I saying domkop even abantu abadala uthola ukuthi unemizi if she's too nosy let's say umama unozi too much ukuthi ufuna ukubona ukuthi kwamakhelwane angena ama plastic uyodina yes uyodina ayenze zona
ama plastic engaphili
into engihlale ngitshela mama ngithi yabona ukuthi ubani uthi this month ikhona improvement ebonakala emarumini after 5 months asikayenzi next ayifuni bona wena amandla akhe akwazi ukuthi uwenze January uphinde yenza December it doesn't matter kodwa egcineni la ufuna ukufika khona uzofika so if ufuna ukuprove ukuthi njengoba uqalile wena ungaqeda within 2 weeks uzokhabatheka cause mawuthi uyabheka ayikho imali yokuthi uqede within 2 weeks
that's true
so ipressure nyana nje
esizifaka nakhona edomo I like yo bro like they say good things 6 times ne like mawufuna izinto lezi ukuthi for example I once did a video people can relate ne ngishelwe i-TV ngashelwa i-soundbar ngashelwa i-laptop or everything if benguyilo umuntu lo ukuthi hayibo I can't live without these things bekumele ngihambile ngathathi i-loan you understand ngizozihenga ngiyako mashonisa ngiyozihenga no just linda beka lokuncane ukutholayo go back you even do even better from what you had before because now you took your time young child ma we elevator like to me like bro like I grew up
and they are motivated
I mean I grew up having this thing if ever like mphuzi wine manje ne mphuzi wine it is next time mangi ngijindi wine ngiyakuyeka master ngiyogijima ngayeka from Jaeger Hennessy. That like
Yeah.
in life you have to elevate.
Kufana nami kwazi ukuyenza like i-progress enkulu nami ngibe proud. Then 2-3 months maybe ngithenga umshanyelo.
Yeah.
Yabo lezi zinto ezincane ezidom. But mina yazi I still feel proud ukuthi akufana la simandla.
Yeah, exactly. I like that because don't be overwhelmed about izinto ozenzayo ubona ngathi awumove. Thina siqale ukushuta ngefone to ama camera, to add another camera, to add more lights. I can't look at myself and ngathi in that way there's no way.
Wow. Hey. Mina like truth speaking nalesikhathi ngithenga i-dustbin I was so proud.
Yeah.
Bekumele no girlfriend afike ukuthi azobona ukuthi yo
Kune something. Yeah.
Umshanyelo. Nayide ngebona ide ngevala amanzi le ukuthi ingangeni. And I ngiyanotisisa those little progress. So wathenga like yebo. So mina nanoma ngabuya nani as long yabona this month ngikholi mara ngithenga blind kuphela. But I feel proud.
But umuvile from ukuthi ubongana blind
so you blind.
So
that's how you move. That's
ungaqala ungameli ukuthi omunye umuntu uthini or umuntu ozothi ukhona imali engaka kodwa ugibela itaxi ila uzoba grand kwa mara mawufuna ukubheka ukuthi abantu bathini awuzokhabathe.
Okay. Phela into leyifana nanoma like ukhulu. Umuntu esikhathi sasemntana lokudlala ungcono unganandaba. Manje uyofuna ne-dust nyana ukuthinta. Uthola ukuthi awufuna next yakungothi sumechod. I got
another question to you guys, ne? What do you guys think about like the lovers? Because I even saw Bruce having a tattoo, yeah, my lips, yeah. So I think but he did even a vlog. Like he saw like a paper, then they zoom it, whatever. Then he did like a kiss, Lana Eloneni. So what do you think about people who write like amakama for partners?
Oh, story semhlabeni la.
Okay.
Ay semhlabeni la ngazobhala igama la baby la ceda sihlukana phambi kwakusasa. Bese ngilisangani tattoo yakho forever. Hayibo, ngisangani. Angifuni ukuzwa
Ngoqala ngohlanganiswa yini wenze lokho.
And you know ukuthi kunabanye abantu badela nge-ink. They don't want to cover other people's ink. They say ukuthi it's more like that is like it's a clash or it's a fight.
Wena kulo oyenze kuyithathu.
Yeah, it's either you go back to that person to
bese ngasamtholi bathi ushonile usebenza izinto pressure guys. Wena kulento besikhuluma ngayo pressure nje angeke awa. Mina guys noma ngawu hayi mina noma ngablind kanjani kusami kodwa ngizobona mase kumele bayithathu la. Oh lento lakithi ngangishisa ngalo umshini. Angeke.
Ngiyakubona ulumvumele likwenza into
ezinjalo. Ayeke.
Because kusasa no guys this is reality.
Asilazi
and especially kule generation esiphila kuyo. Asiphili ngalesa sikhathi lesa sabantu abadala ukuthi bekezelwa to a point. No, yazi umuntu uyakuhlanyisa ne but when uhlanya ngawe the same way uhlanya so asingayekini uthando lesisenze into ehlanya rather do maybe if nenza omunye yenzi half nomunye yenzi half
manhlanganisa
efanayo mara amagama
i-fingerprint yakhe
ama-lips
i-fingerprint yakhe lakini because that shit gonna stuck with you for life.
abanye abantu bayabathemba abantu babo umbani ubeka umuntu wakhe la ubuso bomuntu wakhe la guys
uzovundule ayishisa
kuya ngokuthi
she's like idea.
Ukususa leyo
And then when
ukholelwa kwini ke nje
as someone who have tattoos and then
mina ngeke noma bangathi angeke mina ngeke mina angeke I swear to God mina I won't angeke ngize ngikhuluma nesilungu angeke I won't noma ngathi umntana abantu I won't ngathi ngiyabona
ngiyakutshela athi ngithi ngibeke no
angeke kunina funa ngibeke kunina funa ngibeke angeke siphongo yo baby ngiyakuthanda ne mara ngeke sorry ngamane sihlukane sindaba
Uthole wena ungayenza.
I won't.
I don't even have tattoo, bro.
Ungayenza na.
Sister wena
No, I can't.
Why?
But I once said, and shout out to Savannah. I once said, if my mom, she can leave us. Let's say God forbid my mom passes. My mom should have she's written Terek here.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, I told you, ne?
Yeah.
I said, that's the only tattoo that I can do. Cause I don't know. I don't know. It's more personal to me. Nsago once said something that a lot of people who does tattoos and whatnot, the first tattoo that they do, they don't know what they're doing. They just want a tattoo.
Yeah.
Then the second tattoo, now you are thinking, now you are on you're good now. Now you process it and says, you know what? I want this. So for me, I'm already prepared with it. If she can leave, this is the only thing that I can have and says, whoever's gonna ask me, say, this is my mom's. This is why she read. Darega. You know. Yeah. So to me, that's the only thing I can do when it comes to tattoo. But nah.
Uma wengane.
I ain't doing that shit, nigga. I ain't tattooing myself.
Uma wengane.
Nah. You're tattoo yourself. So that's the only thing that I can do, bro. Just to remind me, as a reminder, with and she had it on the left side, so that's why I'm having it on the left side. So that's the only thing. The rest. Funny problem la. It's my shy doggy. That's here. I don't get. I'm a butterfly. I was when I'm shy, but my pictures. In the butterfly. Fuck that shit, nigga. I ain't doing that shit. I don't know. And like me, okay, I think I once dated people who have tattoos, but I don't see. It's not attractive to me, bro. When you have inky on you, I was like, it's whatever. Okay, it's nothing, bro. Now for the butterfly.
No.
Because we are ham.
It's toy.
Now I'm going to do the butterfly because we are ham.
It's toy. No.
Yeah.
It's toy.
Do you even have a tattoo?
No.
Oh, okay.
It's a right.
But well,
especially guys.
shout out to Mundwako.
Ngiyayithanda mina
Shout out to
ngibona
Mundwako.
ngibona omunye umuntu not kimi plus khona lela le ngathi ubhala amagama ama China ngibona omunye intombazane
You know about that one in China. There's a Chinese guy. He was like, this thing is so stupid. Then he write water, right? Then he was like, it's like you writing your tattoo like this, it's just like water.
Amanye attractive and especially mawubeka kwezinye indawo uba yo
yes
Yeah, when I even in that
mina shemi yabona yala
Nicki Minaj
yes, China.
that chick inspired me, that's why I want this one.
Now we get.
I expire. It's China. I want to like.
And then
it's
yes, like
it's China.
yeah, Shushin.
That's problem, yeah. Oh my God! So wait. So you don't know what your tattoo mean?
Like I know. Like Mama's boy. Like Shushin. Like they told me. Like I'm serious, guys. This tattoo, Mama's boy.
You see tattoos? You see? Hey, tattoo! Hey, Shinji! He says what?
Shushin.
You're dying.
I'm telling you, good same face. Like, look, I have this tattoo, like in Mundi. Funo pale Mama's boy, Maran is trying to translate. Angena Google Mundo na Jens da corner, bon. Maka yenza like audio yakukutisha like Shushin yabo. Yes. So like yeah.
aka Shungshin.
Yeah, to Shungshin. shing.
Hayi Bibo. Yabona ifana nokufika endaweni ungayazi language. Bathi ukubaleka uthi uyahlala mawuthi uyabaleka. uBibo nje uyidlala ngathi.
Uyazi Google no. Yeah. Google
those tests. No, see, those tests since Google translate this words.
Uzobona ababhala igama lomama washona la.
Sengibabhala ukuthi ngulube
asimbonanga.
Like, do you understand? What? I'm telling you, madam. You must take that. You must shoot your hand and then put it on even on Meta and says what does this
Translate.
Yeah. It will tell you.
Go like decide ukuthi mina wonke la masayini ngizothi ngintshela
phela makamele yenze sense to mama's boy.
Like izokhipha amasayini ama-meaning
ngifuna ukuvele le part le. Yebo.
Ikhathi then ubhale ukuthi what does this words mean?
Izokhipha
ama-meaning.
Shumshi.
We are searching in their life, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe, guys. We're giving guys exclusive now. What does it mean?
It's thinking.
It's a thing.
Wealth rich.
Uqali imina wealth riches abundance.
Okay.
There's 2 ibila double purple. There's 3 mina star. Enye fire, enye wind, enye to curve polish.
There's no mama's boy.
Abayibeka yonke ithi world double star fire wind curve.
Mara basho ukuthi mama's boy. Mara bawumele uthweni.
Bese uyabuza uMatt athi do you know the story behind why these 6 were picked?
Bibo.
Okay, guys, as we were checking, Nsako went to Meta, ask Meta about those words. It doesn't say what people were saying. But it doesn't say what. But it doesn't say what.
Marangishilo ukuthi like in AI izokhipha like uthi each.
No,
but like it was supposed to be.
Kumele relate.
Akekho nomama
ukuthi each side.
Akekho
nomama.
Akekho no boy.
It's confusion of AI and ink. AI and ink. It's confusion.
Okay, guys, I got another question, right? I got another question, guys. Guys, let's not get amathathu singawazi ukuthi I should tell.
Mara le yamba.
Bangaze bakubhala umama kaSiphokazi la.
Exactly.
Bibo le pressure le ukuthi ufuna ukwenza something emzimbeni wakhe.
Ayilento bewuyisho nsazi.
So mina feel like lento nje izoba stuck naye I lifetime uzothini kusasa.
Mntana yabona like my like angithi ngiyakhula no mangikhona iskin sanebeka ngithi ngithathu naye yafika. My failure.
Ithathu.
Obviously like
abantu bakudala bebavula isilonda bafaka umlothe.
Yeah.
Ube ithathu. Mangathola umuntu wakudala most futhi abogogo banamathatu la ebusweni bayenza nini lento le
but like iluza that value yabona manje njani la ikukabela ubona njani uzobona masengibumaki
Masala isho ngishilo
uzofela yabo bese ngithi cover up ngishayela yona ngibona ngela yona yabo nakule China lezi ngiyoshaya something new maybe ngishaya dragon.
Hi guys,
alright guys, the other question guys is what you first to catch off you say?
I bengithi bangayenza ama-tattoo abangawathakaza ukuthina emzimbeni yabo.
True.
Guys yo.
Makale yami na fit.
Bona uBibo akazi noma uchaza ukuthi
ubona uBibo. Mama Bibo
asazi.
So guys, there's like a flu virus. It hunters and what the other one? It hunters.
Nazi hunters.
Nami hunter.
It's two. There's 2 of them. The other one is hunters and the other thing. Okay. I sent these on our group as a which like what is it ukuthi these people bathe ize nge-escape, they know ukuthi lesi escape lesi sinabantu abane-flu, angithi bathe le flu lena amagundwane ayafika achamela kwasha kwacima then ivele ikulona. Like why are these people not taking lesi escape lesi bosipaka endaweni ethize bathatha laba bantu laba abagulayo, then they put them to quarantine until they figure out ukuthi how can they cure these things, then bathatha abantu. Ngikhumbula nge-COVID, if ever kunomuntu une virus and stuff, bebazobiza laba bantu abagcoka izinto bazostima indawo and stuff. So like why are these people can't do such a thing? If ever there's a need to clean that boat by cleaner yonke or that cruise ship or whatever, then take these people by quarantine. Why are they letting these people run around bakhona ukuthela almost everyone now?
When I started, I believe ukuthi khona leyo virus.
Yiphi
Lokundana kakela kakaya.
I just see people are getting sick and
Mara
done.
kunini sinamakhulu.
Mara kunini sicela ngoba nale virus epaloni. Khona le yamagundwane futhi ukuthi monekile impahla eminema impukane. Mawunika impahla yahlalwa impukane la and then uyayigqoka uzoba namashashaza in your body ivele ya fade away.
No, I didn't know about that one.
Kuba wona lento le mama makathi nje mangiwashile nkosi ungaphendukezeni impahla ineki so
Ungaphendula.
ungaphendula ngoba impukane
like any impahla or maybe like under
yonke into.
Damn, that's crazy.
Mina I feel like lama virus lawa nje sebayazenzela nje abantu ayi impukane lezi kunini ziqala empahleni zamara namashashazo.
Mntwana, your take on hunters and how
I feel like benza ngamaspoon. If like especially if into ayifana noma HIV ukuthi into welibele discount, you know ukuthi a particular boat inento so why must I
exactly why want exactly that
I don't get it infected or you not just because you were there bahamba bayochecka bathola indlela yokuthi bakwenza ube grand then why mele baze basiyeke leso skepe sifike kuma certain areas babona i-COVID yasenzana
Alex
babona i-COVID yasenzana most people were retrenched from work i-emotion eziningi why bazofuna ukubuyisa isifo esifana naleso
and mina ngibona ngathi yona le hunters
hunters virus
ngibona ngathi akakabi serious to that extent ukuthi i-president yethu or government yethu athathe action.
Akumelanga izinto serious people.
Fine COVID but yaza sokudlala.
No, but like I think because the government lost too much, ne? Even if right now we can have like a serious deadly virus, I don't think they're gonna close the counter. I don't think so because we lost so much.
Phela during COVID like yonke into yama.
You understand?
Yeah.
Manje amele bayimise like bamela sithoba ngena thi impilo zethu phela lezi bazovula igundwane.
Hayi
Sena phuma liza kuya faso yafenta manje.
Abayenzayo because kunini siphila namagundwane.
Yeah, true.
Ukhulu usazalwa umama kasabakho asazalwa
nento nje like futhi lento le ngathi angazi if ngizonibuza kanjani. How do you guys feel about like kunama case I think amaningi maybe nathi singapay attention ukuthi uthola ukuthi umama wakho or whoever or family member uyahamba uye clinic like bamdiagnose ngento engekho. Let's say une high blood but unoshukela bamgiqibaza amapilisi oshukela then
guys so sorry to cut you off and stuff, but do you guys know ukuthi hospital doesn't cure? Do you know that?
Vele
Ohamba ugule ne
US.
But like guys, I don't know how can I put this, ne? But I'm not saying we mustn't depend on the hospital, but like hospital doesn't cure. They give you another dosage so you can keep on taking them. They don't like cure you completely.
Like
yeah. We hamba uthi unadani what bathi uneshuke bakunikeza amapilisi. Now uyisigulane say forever in clinic. So hospitals don't really cure abantu. They check in then they come up with like a long-term solution. Once you are home,
lambelile la soft last month but unoshukela. Wabuyela last month but abana shukela une low blood.
Is one.
You understand?
Like they always want to find something.
Bacale bathi une low blood. bathe phuza ama beetroot ama
Yeah, ukuthi
so
azoboosta igazi.
iphela kanjani disappear kanjani sengathi une low blood
And babathi low blood bheka angithi bathe ishukela manje abasaliboni ngeke bazojaya alright buyela i-low blood kumele abe patient yalapha ebhara kumele
because you know mina once ngikula guys
and babathi low blood bheka angithi bathe ishukela manje abasaliboni ngeke bazojaya alright buyela i-low blood kumele abe patient yalapha ebhara kumele
you know mina once ngikula guys it's very rare ukuthi ngihambe clinic mina ngiyahlala ngize ngibe right
so one thing
esengijwayele
one thing people must know guys ukuthi even if une cancer ne ma cancer they know ukuthi what like they're gonna chop your toe they don't just cut here bazo chopper la bayeke izidlu
spread obvious
mayifika lana bachopa la bayeke bathi manje jampele why baba sayibona ukuthi isaqala ukuthi bangavelanga bachopa here chopa fast why are they cutting it nale breast cancer yakhona uyophela amabele wonke bathi ngapha ijampele ngapha bathi ngapha manje asenabele but it's really guys iqiniso
and some fire
they just keep mabathi isandla bakhathi umuntu bayeke idlule wabangaveli bakhatha la
efana nokuya emuntwini wesintu noma ngayibona inkinga kuhlale kunenkinga ayibonayo kumele uyogeza mawuceda ugeza mawungayenza so like must keep on giving
once ugula you have become a target we must all know ukuthi once ugula
ukuphola wenza noma yini
exactly manje umuntu yabona manje nginenkinga manje yabona manje anginenkinga ngasuka lana ngiya ku anyone yongitshela ukuthi wena into zakho bekumele zihamba because awuna 1 2 3 ithangogeza manje angisa achieve la into kumele
abaningi manje bakufeli kulezi zinto lezi
it's very rare ukuthola umuntu osasebenza ngokweqiniso you know guys njengoba sikhula yonke into iba fake
I cannot
bazothamba ohlabela amandla uzimbuzo uhlabela
mina ngama trust issues ngisanokucabanga ngithi thina sisebenzele eduze le small ngabe consultant yazi njalo mangidlula kula moskipa bar sporting is what if bathenga lapha bavale ngathi la wena ufika ukhiphe 1 point kanti uzithengela into yase small
sure into mashasha
so like I feel like everything's fake and especially ma window exposed efana nabo ma small ugcina so question yonke into ukuthi like
once you're outside vele when you're outside you are bound to ask some serious questions which kahle is this thing really like we are taught now ukuthi that's why bathi kumele uhambe ukhona ukubona because manje if uhlele endaweni eyi-1 you'll never know ukuthi izinto kanjani yabo guys, we have come to the end of our show, guys. If you have watched us till this much, guys.
Wow.
Yeah? It's alright. So, guys, don't forget, guys, subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell. Every time I want to drop, guys, to be notified, guys. Nsako, take it on, Duana.
Mina ngicela more of the day from my
don't blame people for disappointing you. Blame yourself for trusting them.
Okay,
I mean, I mean to check up on everyone who's close to you. Everyone is dealing with it.
I like that.
Them boys.
Nothing much. I follow your dreams.
So kumbula Ntwana.
Yeah, man. I don't really have a word of the day, but like you keep on hustling.
Yeah.
Tereka,
But
guys.
make it until you
Tereka, guys.
But you
still have another.
one or two episodes hoping
You must watch, guys. You must watch.
Yes, ngiyabonga mfethu, much love.
Something ngayo yenzakalayo scammed mamkhulu umuntu engisebenza naye like kwavele bascan iSIM card straight ba yini lento le yokuthatha ilentuza identity yomuntu iyenze yakho bayenze kwiSIM card bayenzeni
beware guys ngama-scammers guys.
bathatha iSIM card lakhe like bamvala yena makathi ithi emergency contact only umuntu wakhona wacela ama 1.5 ebantwini abaclose
bayenze noTimeni
Timen Express
no iyawuthami yakhumbula the guy who was came here
so guys, beware.
Even if ungashayanga yes, I don't know how do they do this.
So it's like cabanga lo muntu lo uyenze izolo ngabo 8.
Yeah.
Umuntu wakhona was away around 12 but already besekashaya 6,000. Komunye uthathe like 2 usendile then wathi ayingenanga ngicela uphinde usende futhi wasenda lo muntu lo angekho aware ukuthi ihambile. So kushuthi umuntu e1 by 3 then laba bawu2
guys abantu abanamakhadi athepayo please close into yokuthepa once ungabona ikhadi lakho
asiyekeni fashion
once ungalibona ikhadi lakho freeze ungena even if lisendlini or lingaphandle or anything once you don't see it freeze it
siyamthanda
stay safe guys
isikhumbulile thina besikhumbulile
besikhumbulile
like
okay.
Subscribe and press that notification bell so that every time we drop